बिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू. Hello and warm welcome to all peers of the global world. My name is Atif Saleem, but I am from Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan. You all are watching my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for latest upcoming videos. Are you with me? Today I will elaborate you about CAT test. Our topic of the day through step-by-step procedure. What is CAT test? Beginning level test, initial stage test, opening test, first hand language test, simply formal English test. Do you understand each and everything? There are 4 modules of CAT English language test. This test is organized by Cambridge University. Reading module. He will be given you 2 to 3 sentences precise, simple precise. You will crack the answer from precise. Okay? Do you understand each and everything? I am moving toward CAT language test phase 2 part 2. Listening. He will be asked some 5 to 7 questions. Simple questions. Okay? Formal English, introduction, your parents' name, your native name, native city, and so on. Step number 3, phase number 3, writing module. Writing module means he will be asked some kind of essay writing. Essay writing means simple short essay writing, 3 to 4 sentences. Okay? I am moving toward last step, last phase. Speaking module. He will be asking you some kind of formal English questions. For instance, what can I call to you? You will given this answer. You can call to me Atif Saleem, but where are you living nowadays? I am living in Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan. Can you tell me about your native city? My native city is Faisalabad. How many siblings are you? We are 2 siblings. Okay? Hope you will enjoy my lesson. Thanks to all of you. Love you all.